friend of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose system settings, click on one-handed mode and click on this switcher to activate it. If you have 3 keys navigations just like I do, you need to select settings in the pop-up and set up gestures by clicking on them. Then tap on learn or cancel and go back. Now tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it and follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, just click on this blurry area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher. If you want to change your navigation, you need to go back, tap on system navigation and go back to buttons by clicking on them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!